Not long ago, real estate marketing was all about paper, glossy brochures, thick property magazines, and crowded newspaper classifieds. It was slow, impersonal, and one-sided. Then the internet arrived and everything changed. Websites became the new storefronts, letting buyers browse listings anytime, anywhere. Early sites were just digital brochures, but they shifted power to buyers and sparked a massive migration from print to digital. Soon, simple photo galleries became immersive slideshows, and property descriptions turned into compelling stories. Agents started blogging, sharing tips and guides, building relationships before ever meeting clients. Today, content is everywhere. Video tours, interactive maps, and social media stories. A new listing is now a Facebook Live, an Instagram Reel, a TikTok tour, and a detailed article. The journey from static print to dynamic digital has redefined real estate marketing. Now, technology doesn't just present content, it interacts with it. The stage is set for the next leap forward. We expect everything to be personalized, our shows, our shopping, and now our home search. Today's buyers want curated journeys, not endless scrolling through irrelevant listings. They crave relevance and a process that understands their unique needs. Enter digital tools like virtual tours. Buyers can now explore homes from anywhere, picturing their lives inside before ever visiting. But personalization goes further. Imagine a website that remembers you have dogs and highlights homes with big yards or suggests listings near your favorite restaurants. This level of detail transforms the search into an exciting, guided adventure. Real estate has always been personal. Now, technology scales that personal touch. The goal isn't to broadcast to everyone, but to have 1 million tailored conversations at once. Agents who embrace this hyper-personalized approach will build the strongest relationships. In this new era, personalization isn't a luxury. It's the expectation. The firms that deliver it will win. Real estate agents are superheroes, but even they need a sidekick. Enter the Chatbot, your tireless 24/7 digital assistant. It greets visitors, answers questions, and qualifies leads. No breaks, no complaints. Chatbots can be friendly, even funny, making the experience memorable. They schedule viewings, provide virtual tours, and connect users to live agents when needed. In a world of instant expectations, chatbots deliver immediate answers. They handle repetitive tasks, freeing agents to focus on building relationships and closing deals. The chatbot is the ultimate digital sidekick. Content marketing and chatbots are a dream team. Content, blogs, tours, guides attracts and educates clients. Chatbots engage those clients instantly, guiding them through the next steps. Imagine a buyer reading your blog on family-friendly neighborhoods. A chatbot pops up offering to show available homes nearby. The bot uses context to start relevant conversations, turning passive readers into active leads. It can serve up more content, school guides, mortgage calculators based on user questions. This synergy creates a seamless, interactive journey. Without a chatbot, users hunt for info. With one, it's a guided conversation. Content inspires, the chatbot delivers. Together, they anticipate needs and move users smoothly from curiosity to qualified lead. It's marketing that works around the clock. A great chatbot is upfront about being a bot. No tricks, just helpfulness. Give it a fun name, and a personality that matches your brand. Use clear, friendly language and easy-to-tap buttons for quick responses. Make conversations feel natural, not robotic. Personality matters. A witty, charming bot is memorable. Consistency in tone builds trust and makes the experience cohesive. Always provide an easy way to talk to a human. No one wants to feel trapped. The best chatbots know their limits and hand off to real agents when needed. Their job is to support, not replace, human expertise. A well-designed chatbot makes every interaction pleasant and efficient. Chatbots and digital content generate a goldmine of data. Every click and question reveals what clients want and what's working. Analyzing chatbot logs shows common questions and where users drop off, perfect for refining scripts and content. Website analytics highlight which posts and properties get the most attention. Data helps you double down on what works and stop wasting time on what doesn't. Combining chatbot and content analytics creates a predictive, optimized marketing strategy. You spot trends early, tailor your approach, and allocate your budget wisely. Data turns marketing from guesswork into science. The future of real estate marketing is even more personalized and tech-driven. AI-powered chatbots will understand tone, predict needs, and offer proactive suggestions. Virtual and augmented reality will let buyers tour homes with agents in real time or see digital models on empty lots. These tools will bridge imagination and reality, making home buying more tangible and exciting. But at its core, real estate is still about people and relationships. Technology won't replace agents, it will empower them. AI handles the routine, freeing agents for negotiation, advice, and support. The future is a partnership, human expertise plus smart technology. Real estate will be more efficient, transparent, and human-centric than ever before.